Hello guys, welcome to another Lithuanian language lesson. Welcome back to the channel, and by my dad's request, I have compiled a lesson to you about mano, savo, tavo, savo, when to use mano, when to use savo, yes, or when to say tavo, when to say savo. A lot of Lithuanian language learners confuse these, and as of today, only today, I have learned the proper rules. Only today I really understood myself by the means of rules how do we use this, because all the time in my life I've used this naturally by heart. I've learned it from people talking about me, and really I could have never known how to explain this to anyone properly. So today I have researched there and there and compiled it into something, and I hope this makes it more clear to you, and I really hope this helps. Now, if I will miss anything, or if you will find in any context any other rules for this, please let us know. Please mention that in the comments, because that is really important, since the point of this channel is to make people more familiar with the Lithuanian language. So let's begin. We'll start with a sentence, with an example. Aš noriu pamatyti savo tėtį. Aš noriu pamatyti savo tėtį. I want to see my dad. Why it is savo and not mano? Why is it not aš noriu pamatyti mano tėtį? So it is because I'm saying aš, personal pronoun, yes, and the possessive pronoun mano is directly connected to me. Or in other words, I am interacting with something that belongs to me. Perhaps my dad doesn't belong to me, but linguistically he does. Mano tėtis, yes? Mano tėtis, my dad. So something that belongs to me, and I'm talking about it. I'm interacting with it in any way, whether it be an action, an emotional way, yes, if I feel a certain way towards something that I own or something that belongs to me, if I see something in a certain perspective, something that belongs to me, it will become savo, not mano. Aš noriu pamatyti savo tėtį. Aš noriu paskaityti, to read, savo knygą. Aš studijuoju savo darbus. I'm studying my craft or my work. If it's, let's say, university work, and I'm studying it. Aš studijuoju savo darbus. Aš mokausi iš savo klaidų. I am learning from my mistakes. Aš mokausi iš savo klaidų. So the same is with tu, jie, jos, ji, and mes, it's all the same. Tu mokaisi iš savo klaidų. If I want to say that you are learning from your mistakes, it will also be not tavo, it will be savo. Ji mokosi iš savo klaidų. She's learning from her mistakes. She will get her backpack, or she will bring her backpack here, or to me, or to whomever. Ji atsineš savo kuprinę, or ji atneš savo kuprinę. She is interacting with something that belongs to her. Jie išspręs savo galvosūkius. They will solve their quizzes. Galvosūkius. Jie atliks savo darbus. They will complete, or they will fulfill their works, or their job. Savo darbus, savo darbą. Jos suvalgys savo maistą. They, feminine they, jos, suvalgys savo maistą. They will eat their food. Jos pabaigs savo darbą. They will finish their work. Okay, so they are interacting with their item or with their object. You are interacting with your object. It's savo. He is interacting with his object. Jis skaito savo knygas. Jis mėgsta savo draugus. Yes, he likes his friends. Jis mėgsta savo draugus. So, this is one part of it. The other part of it is exceptions. Yes, man patinka mano pamokos. I like my lessons. Man patinka mano pamokos. Jam nuobodus jo darbas. Nuobodus, boring. Yes, he's bored of his job. Jam nuobodus jo. Ne savo, jo. Jam nuobodus jo darbas. Joms nepatinka jų namai. They don't like their home. Joms nepatinka jų namai. We are not saying joms nepatinka savo namai. Joms nepatinka jų namai. Now, there might be some exceptions. Once again, I do remind you, there might be some exceptions. And to learn this Lithuanian language better, you have to study Lithuanian literature, read, buy a specific book that you know, that you have read, yes, or watch Lithuanian version of a movie that you know, for example, so you understand the scenario better, so you know the context better. For example, I'm learning Spanish now, so let's say I read Spanish Bible, because I've read Bible, I know Bible stories, so I'm reading Spanish Bible and it makes a lot of sense. The same with Russian. If I read some Russian novel, let's say, in Lithuanian language, I will buy it, a Russian version, and study. So please do the same with Lithuanian. In that way, you will come in contact with a lot of different scenarios, with a lot of different context, and that's how you will be able to differentiate and to spot some more rules. But I think I've explained the most of it. Please let me know if you find some other rules, if you spot some situation where you're not sure. Yes, if you see yourself appearing in a situation where you hear Savo, but I haven't talked about it, about that specific context, about that specific use in this video, please let us know. Write a comment, write a letter, and we'll deep dive into it, okay? So this much for today. I hope this helps you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.